This is Matt with 1110, and in this video we're going to teach you how to install the Weaveback onto the rigid TQ case with MALICE Clip. First step, open the MALICE Clip using a screwdriver if necessary, lifting the tab from the side. Next, completely remove the MALICE Clip. Next, feed the MALICE Clip through the Weaveback with the cymbal facing outward and the MALICE Clip going through the back. You may have to pinch inward to allow enough room for the MALICE Clip to pass, and align the outer holes into the hole pattern in the material. Next, realign on your selected hole pattern and reinstall in the same fashion. The rigid TQ case is now ready to mount on any MOLLE equipment. This is Matt from 1110, and stay safe.